Hi, myself C. Urvishra, Director at Navkar Digital Institute. Let me explain you our involvement into foreign professional courses. You know, Navkar Institute is there for CA and CS for last 23 years. But now we are also into foreign professional courses, be it US CPA, US CMA, UK ACCA, US CFA or CISA examination. Let me just start with US CPA. Originally, these exams were conducted only in USA for Indian students. But in 2017 onwards, these exams are being conducted in UAE too. And in recent pandemic situation, these exams are now being conducted in India. I want to say we started US CPA coaching when these exams were being permitted in UAE for Indian students. So in the year 2017, we started with US CPA coaching, where we have made tie-up with Wiley. So any student registered with us is getting a Wiley software, Wiley Gold software, Wiley material, Wiley video lectures. We are the only one across nation who is delivering lectures in classroom in weekdays batches. Right now, classroom lectures are not there because of pandemic, but Zoom sessions are there. So any student who is not a professional pursuing US CPA can come for lectures. He is coming into classroom or he is coming into Zoom session in daily lectures. We have a pool of 20 faculties in US CPA. They are qualified US CPAs, US CMA, as well as chartered accountant company secretaries, and they are delivering lectures. Till date, we have served more than 1,000 US CPA students. And they are coming at Navkar Institute, they are enrolling with us, and we are giving them complete solution. Any student registered with Navkar Institute will get 6 things. Number 1, Wiley software. Number 2, Wiley material. Number 3, Wiley video lectures. Number 4, Navkar recorded video lectures that is available in Indian context, Navkar material and Navkar software. So any DLP students going anywhere will just get 3 things. But if he is coming or she is coming to Navkar Institute, he or she would get 6 things. Apart from that, we are assisting students for state selection, for evaluation, for placement, for NTS. In all respect, we are supporting our students of US CPA and we are giving a complete solution. We are also helping students for doubt solving, mentorship, induction. Apart from that, we also run US CMA, that is equivalent to Indian CMA. But I want to say US CMA examination nowadays is very popular because there are only 2 papers and only undergraduates can appear. So undergraduate students are nowadays pursuing US CMA, 2 papers to crack. We are running this US CMA for the last 2 years and we have served more than 300 students. We are supporting them in classroom delivery right now, which is being replaced by Zoom. Plus we are also giving them pre-recorded lectures plus material. We are also giving them support for scholarship. So in all respect, we are supporting students, and any student clearing US CPA or US CMA from Navkar, we are assuring them a definite placement. At the same time, we are also serving students of UK ACCA, where there are 3 levels: knowledge level, skill level, professional level, and we are serving students of all 3 levels. Knowledge level students are starting with us from 11th standard, from schooling time. At the same time, we are also serving students of skill level and professional level. We are giving them materials, we are giving them classroom delivery, which is nowadays Zoom lectures, doubt solving support. We are the examination center for UK ACCA exams. So student coming to Navkar Institute or Navkar Digital Institute will get the coaching as well as he would or she would appear for examination in Navkar Institute only. So knowledge level, skill level and professional level. We are the only one across globe who is giving, I am not saying across India, across globe, who is delivering Kaplan study material virtually in detail, where we are giving them detailed explanation of each and every concept, and that's how students from globe have registered with Navkar Digital Institute. We are also solving their doubts, we are also helping them in all respect, including placement support. So if you are thinking of any of the professional courses, just visit Navkar Digital Institute website or Navkar Digital Institute's app you can download. Plus there are 3 dedicated websites for US CPA, US CMA and UK ACCA as well. So from any part of India or any part of globe, any student can enroll with Navkar Digital Institute for this professional courses. We are in a process of launching our 2 more products One is USCFA and second that is CSAT examination. Thank you.
If you like this video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more such videos and learn from our expert faculty members. Press the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever we upload a new video. Download NDI mobile app to get complete CA course online. We value your support. Thank you for watching.